Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name's Lara if you're new here, and on this channel we cover all things digital products, productivity, and lifestyle. So if you aren't new here, last week I covered Kittl, which is a design company just like Canva that creates ready-to-use design templates that you can then use to go sell your own digital products. So I love Kittl. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks. I've been going crazy with designing, and of course I've been using these products to create a ton of digital products on my Etsy shop as well. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can understand the formatting on Kittl, and maybe you're someone that wants to create an ebook or a book cover. This is something that I've been playing around with lately, and I'm going to come up with a bunch of digital products with this, and I'm also going to give you guys some ideas on digital products that you can use that require book covers. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Kittl yet again, and how we can create book covers together and formatting and everything like that. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to create this in under 5 minutes. Go ahead, set your timer, get ready to log into Kittl, click the link in my description, and you can create an account right now. So without further ado, if this is something that interests you, then keep on watching. One thing I've noticed when designing digital products is that it can actually be increasingly challenging to format everything. If you're new to the digital product realm, or honestly, even if you've been creating them for a while, you'll know that formatting can take forever, and sometimes it can actually take longer than creating the product itself. So I am going to show you how we can use Kittl to format everything, and how these ready-to-use templates can just make everything that much easier. I'm someone that uses templates and then I make them my own, so definitely don't be afraid to play with templates, because you can make quick and easy passive income without having to go and design everything from scratch, research everything from scratch. You can really just do it with the help of tools like Kittl. So I'm going to switch over to the iPad. I'm going to show you the screen, and then we are going to design a book cover together. So my favorite feature about Kittl is that there is all of these tools on top for different products that you can create. And there's also little templates here that are designed by a bunch of different creators and are free for you to use. But I, when scrolling here, saw at the top book covers, and that's what we're going to create today. So let's click on that, and it's going to show us a bunch of templates under this theme. So it makes it super quick and easy for those of you that want to create products but don't really know where to start. And then with formatting, it saves you the stress of having to create everything yourself. So I, right off the bat, love this. I am in digital marketing. It's what I also do for work. So these obviously speak to me, but I just love how, like over here, for example, there's a clean and simple design. Here, there's more of a fun, creative design. And of course, you can change colors, fonts, and obviously the writing on these designs as well. But you can just use this as a tool to really elevate your designs. So you can even create a fun book cover. This one looks really fun, like a romance fantasy kind of look. I love that as well. And you can also just create a fun little guide for people as well. So I am going to create a guide that we can sell today. And the great thing about creating guides is that you can use tools like AI to help you come up with tips and tricks that you can then use to sell to creators. So I'm just going to show you guys how you can create a cover for this. You can then add more pages, and then you can go ahead and add in all your little key features about your little course or your guide or your book. But I wanted to just see how easy and quick it is to create a cover. And this cover can be for your PDF, for your book, just like I said, guides, whatever. So we are going to select one that kind of speaks to me. And right now I'm definitely loving that. I love like the black and white branding. So I'm going to click on that, and we are going to get designing. So again, as I said in my last video, what I love about Kittl is you click on the design, you can see the creator, you can see their title that they chose, and then you can either bookmark this, heart it for later too, and you can use this design. So for today's video, we're obviously going to use this design, but feel free to play around and really just do whatever you'd like. So right off the bat, what I love about this is it is already formatted to a size of a PDF that you would print at home. This just makes it so much easier than you having to Google, what size is this? What, dimension should I be making this design? It makes it super simple for you right off the bat. And that's what I personally love about it. So this creator made multiple pages that you can then use to add in your little tips and tricks and things like that I mentioned before. And that's what I love about Kittl. It shows you also the different components. So it shows you at the top, that's the book cover, front cover, introduction, chapter cover. It breaks everything down so simply, and I find it just makes it that much more easy to use. So we're gonna go ahead and edit this book cover, and on the sidebar, there's a whole bunch of tools that we can use to then make it our own. I've gone ahead and just zoomed right in here, and you can obviously do that on your tablet or your desktop. And I can see up here, there's like a nice photo with string and everything. And this is going to be talking about how to start an online business. So for me, the product that I would want to create is more about Pinterest. I use this to market digital products and digital products that I create with Kittl. So I am going to call this How to Successfully Market Yourself Using Pinterest. So we're going to go ahead and change that. All you have to do is just play around with the writing here. I'm going to go ahead and change it. So here is this little tool right here. You can drag out your writing, you can shrink it down, and then obviously here you can play around with spacing and bolds and underlines and things like that. So I am just going to drag this down where I want it, and you can kind of change up some spacing as well. You can even add little shading. You can do whatever you like. And that's what I love about this tool. I'm also going to change this below because my name is not Mia, but I'm going to change it to my name so that you can then sell this digital product as your own. But in the case of this, like, you are going to do your own research to create, a tool that could help guide other people. But this is just an example. And what I love is that you can use this design to just put your own information in. So it makes it that much easier. So what I also love is you can change around the fonts if you'd like. I actually use Playfair Display in a lot of my designs, so this makes it super simple, and I love the simple look of this font. But you can click on here and go in and you can change it to whatever you'd like. And so I might take this out. You can feel free to keep it and change the colors and things like that. But I wanted to go and show you some elements that you can add in right here as well, just to really make it your own. So let's hit the little element shapes button. And I think I want to add something abstract to this design just to make it kind of fun and my own. But you can go through a bunch of these and just add little features. I might add something like this just to give a little pop of color in the corner, and you can do whatever you'd like there. And here, maybe I'll change the picture to my own or something to do with Pinterest. When you click on the photo section, it'll show you some trending photos. That's what I really love about this, simple aesthetic photos. So this is how I wanted it, and this is how I'm going to make that title pop on my own, but feel free to add more elements just to make it your own. And then obviously you can add different features. And you can, as you see, you can like drag things across to the next page, which makes designing super simple. You can delete things. I just find it so much easier sometimes when everything's side by side. It makes the design process so much easier as well. So you can move pages around, you can play around with fonts and images, and then you can make this your own. So all you will do now is hit download. And I have a Kittl Pro account, and you can create a Kittl Pro account using my code in the description below. But basically, it just gives you more access to download the file how you'd want it, like a PDF, for example. And for something like this, I am going to download it as a PDF, and I'm also going to download it as a PNG file so I can then make my own thumbnail for selling the digital product itself. So I definitely recommend getting a pro account. It just allows you to do more. You can also remove the background with a pro account and optimize the quality. So for really the best experience, definitely consider upgrading this, and it will really be a benefit to you. I have a Canva pro account, so basically all of the ones that I try, I get a pro account just because you can really do that much more with it. So I would then go ahead and download this as a PNG, and that's what I would do because I'm going to make a thumbnail for this, and I'm also going to download it as a PDF to then go ahead and sell it. So that's all you have to do. You just hit download. So let me put PNG. I'm gonna hit download, and it will unpack everything for me, and it will put it right into a zip file. So there I have it. It's now in my downloads, and it is that simple. So that is as easy as it is to create a cover. You can go back into Kittl if you want more inspiration, and you can just look around for more inspo. Here's book cover design. And here's different thumbnails with simple ones. So I promised I'd keep that short, but now you'll never have to worry about formatting again. You can go ahead and just type in what you need, and it will do all the formatting for you. It is the perfect tool for that. And I have been playing around with book covers, planners like I showed you last week. And if you haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out, and so much more. So if you want to learn more about Kittl, feel free to ask questions in the comments. I'm happy to answer them, and I would love to thank Kittl again for sponsoring this video. And I will not talk about a tool that I don't personally recommend. So this is a tool that I use on a daily basis, and I think that you can really use it to make money, especially this time of year with holidays. This is a great time to make money and sell a bunch of products. So definitely use the link in the description, use the code to get a discount on a premium membership, and happy creating. Let me know what you create with Kittl. I'd love to know in the comments. And if you have any questions, as always, leave a comment below. But I hope you have so much fun creating digital products with Kittl, and I will see you guys very, very soon.